a long career in industrial agriculture, which has been changing over the past several years.
It has, Leah. I've been in the agricultural equipment industry for 40 plus years. And the last year as a consultant, I've really had a chance to look across the industry and see a lot of changes outside of the company that I used to really focus within. And as I look at this, I'm seeing a huge movement towards automation and autonomy, the ability for machines to operate without a human operator. And the thing that's really tying a lot of that together is not the presence of the technology, because we've had the technology for a very long time. It's getting better, but it's being driven by a shortage of skilled labor. We see that on the farms. Our rural farm operators are struggling to find skilled labor to operate. And we see that in the machinery industry as well, because many of our factories are located in rural America. And so the same labor shortage that's affecting our customers is affecting our ability to hire engineers, to hire purchasing people, to hire manufacturing people, to actually produce the equipment. And so there's a big focus on how do we get more efficient, how do we get more effective, how do we do more with less.
And how do we do that? How does manufacturing have to change the machines themselves?
Well, it's automation and autonomy within the factories as well, but that requires information. A lot of the work of designing this equipment is done by engineers, obviously, but the costing part of that work is a lot more difficult. We need better tools. We've used spreadsheets, we've used calculators, we've used slide rules if you go back far enough. That's not going to work. We can't afford the number of people doing that kind of work that we used to have. And so we're looking to automate, we're looking to put tools in place. This is where the digital thread comes in. When we start talking about a CAD model, that's a substantial amount of digital information already. But if we can now take that design content and move it into purchasing and into manufacturing and start a two-way dialogue, we can get a lot more done with fewer people.